Good afternoon guys, it's Lee from Source Sounds, just with another Source video, just to show you this lovely little Kenwood DMX7520DAB that we have fitted into this car for the customer. Now this radio features FM radio, DAB radio, Bluetooth with Bluetooth streaming for all your music. It has a USB connection, which you can see just here, we've just left it down here for the customer. He can then plug in his phone, and that will then give him either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connectivity to this radio. We've fitted a reverse camera to this car. So if I just pop it into reverse, you can then see the image. So this is a Kenwood CMOS 230 reverse camera that is adjustable. And if you've so wanted, you could also add the reverse grid lines onto the stereo, just to give you a little bit more helping aid with reversing. Any further information, please give us a call on 0114 257 1550. Thanks for watching.